The 130 case called.
Does anybody know who the phone number is in the without the base? Does anybody know who 512 is? Okay, nobody knows.
This is the Bastrop County Court at Law, February 23rd, 2021. The court calls cause number 21-20569, Department of Family and Protective Services versus Armentrout in Aubin. Ms. Cochran Green, are you ready to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor.
And who else is present?
Ashley Carnahan. I'm sorry, not Ashley.
Andrea.
Andrea Carnahan with CPS. And I'm not sure if the mother is present, and if that may be who is on the phone ending in 642.
No, 5642 is Brooke McIntyre.
Oh, okay. All right. So we don't have any of the parents present?
I don't believe so, Your Honor.
Okay. And do you have service?
I don't believe we have personal service, although Ms. Armentrout did call the court and did get the Zoom information. And even though we don't have service, because we're asking for an aid in investigation, we can do that ex parte. I know this court likes to have the parents present, but we're now, a couple of months out from being able to complete our investigation. And so
right.
we
In
would
the
ask
affidavit, in the affidavit, it appeared that there was a little bit of a gap in the time. So you may go forward. Who would you like to have testify?
Ms. Carnahan, please.
Okay. And would you raise your right hand? Do you swear the testimony you give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
Okay. You may proceed.
Thank you. Could you please state your name?
Andrea Carnahan.
And you were the investigator that was assigned to this referral?
Yes.
And when did the department receive a referral for investigation?
On December 7th of 2020.
And what were the allegations?
There was allegations that Ms. Armentrout and Mr. Aubin were not only using methamphetamines inside the home within reach of Carson, but that they were also selling drugs out of the home.
Okay. And were you able to contact either parent?
No, I was not.
Did you go out to visit the home?
I went out to the home several times, leaving my identifying information, could not get contact back.
And the first time you did that was on December the 7th?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you go back out there on December the 8th?
Yes.
December the 9th?
Yes.
Did you also call in a welfare check to the Bastrop Police Department on the 9th?
Yes.
And what were the results of that welfare check?
They could not get anybody to answer the door.
Did you also go out there on December the 10th?
Yes.
Did anyone answer?
No.
Did you reach out to any relatives?
We also reached out to the maternal grandparents who have custody of the older sibling, could not get contact with the family through them either.
But did the family that you spoke with, did they actually confirm that the address that you were attempting was their address?
Yes.
Did you go back out there on December the 11th?
Yes, I believe so. Yes.
And did Special Investigator Herbrick also attempt on December the 11th?
Yes.
Did you receive a letter of representation from Attorney Tim Inman on December the 14th?
Yes.
And did you have contact with Mr. Inman about possibly setting up an interview and an inspection of the home?
Yes.
And did you and he communicate several times?
There was only once that was directly on the phone. There was a couple other times through email before communication ceased altogether.
Okay. And he has since then told the department that he does not represent the parents at this point in time, correct?
Yes.
Have you received any information from the parents since we filed this request for an aid in investigation?
No.
Have you been able to alleviate the department's concerns regarding the allegations
No.
of abuse? What is the department requesting at this point in time?
At this point in time, access to Carson with an interview and access to the home.
And do you believe that that will help you reach a conclusion in this case?
That will definitely help me get started. Yes.
Okay. Your Honor, I don't have any further questions.
Any further testimony?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, the court hereby grants the requested order.
All right, thank you.
And you'll provide that to the court?
Yes, I'll email that now.
Great, thank you. This
Thanks.
completes the hearing. Thank you.